Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from BLACKVIEW Tab 16 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or hit OK right away. Then choose Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, hit Send at the bottom left corner of BLACKVIEW. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on BLACKVIEW, using all of those categories available at the top, just pick all of your files to transfer. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, choose Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then click on Download after Watch Ad to connect. If you prefer to scan this QR code instead of inputting this key, hit this scanning icon, close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!